Welcome to Sahabav Premium Assisted Living Centers, a place where care meets comfort and every resident is treated like family. Nestled amidst serene surroundings, Sahabav offers a peaceful environment where senior citizens can live with dignity, love, and joy.
Namaste, my name is Dr. Mini Panikar and I am the founder of Sehbhav LLP. So Sehbhav is a loving project that I founded in 2019. After doing 10 years of medical service, I was attracted to this field of elder care after an experience with an elder patient of mine. And now it's been a beautiful journey of almost 7 years with running residential centers for elders in Mumbai city. So, Sehbhav in Sanskrit stands for coexistence, and my dream has been to make centers where residents coexist of different cultures in Mumbai and to make sure that they live happy and comfortable lives under our care. So, I have a large team comprising of nurses, doctors, caregivers, cooks, admin staff, and it's been a very beautiful journey from one center in 2019 to 4 centers in 2025, and the vision is to expand even further, not only in Mumbai but all across India. So my dream has been that whenever elders wish to have a center where they would wish to stay and be looked after, they should think of Sehbhav.
From the moment you step inside, you can feel the warmth in every corner, a home designed not just for living, but for truly belonging.
Hello, myself is Amisha. So I have been with Sehbhav since the inception of Sehbhav. I and Dr. Mini have been sharing this journey for last 15 odd years now. A day at Sehbhav is very beautiful. From the moment the resident gets up, once they get up, they have the tea at their beck and call. They go for a lovely breakfast where there were widespread of menu, choice of meals they would want to. I mean, what are their wishes? Like today, if they would have, no, I don't want what is cooked for the menu, but I would like a omelette, or I would like a toast, or I would like a dosa. We are here for you. So we would like to we customize it for as per your needs. And after that, we have a good daily schedule for them. So wherein we have a yoga teacher who comes alternate day in the morning. There's a professional teacher from an outside who comes, and it's a group activity. Around by early evening, they all come down. We encourage them to go down. All those who can, we encourage them to go down, take their evening walks. Of course, all this is done with the help of a caregiver who's going to be assisting them in their evening walks. After the evening walks, we have group activities for them. The group activities are customized in a very fun way. The point is not only to do the fun, but we also do this so that all their cognitive skills, we enhance that. So we try to customize and we try to do innovative activities for them like this in the evenings. After the evening activities, again, the time is a little me time for them where they connect with their own families. The entire place is Wi-Fi enabled, so all of them, whoever needs have support for their gadgets, the team is there to help them with the Wi-Fi calls with the families and all. So we support them, and then early by around 7:38 the dinner is ready for them. They would come have their meals together. There is Netflix, there is Hotstar, so whatever they want. We have smart TVs in all the rooms, so that's how they also spend a little me time. So I would say the entire day is not only as per our schedule, but it's a combination of their me time plus a group activity, and which actually enhances their social skills also. Yeah, tomorrow if they don't see one person on the table, they would immediately say, okay, why isn't this person here on the table? Is she okay? Is he okay? There's a lovely bond which is created over the years and the months they spend together.
The vision behind Sahabav began with one simple thought: to create a space where our elders can find happiness, care, and companionship.
Before starting Sehbhav with Dr. Mini, and we actually did a lot of survey. So we felt that personal touch of being with them, pampering them. I mean, we've actually called a beautician, pampered them, give them a small massage, give them a tight hug when their days are low. And two more important point is Sehbhav does not have visiting hours. They can come and meet their loved ones anytime they feel like. They don't have to even take permissions from us. Other very interesting and very exciting point is that we take them outdoors. They have been to Nariman Point, but when they were in their 30s and 40s or maybe even 50s. But after 60s, they don't remember going to a Nariman Point. So we actually take them outdoor once in 2-3 months, depending on the weather, of course. I'm only happy and more looking forward to how more different we can be and how interested we can make it for our elders.
Every detail from personalized healthcare to wholesome meals, from daily activities to emotional support is crafted to ensure comfort and connection.
So the message I would like to convey to families who have maybe aged parents or grandparents, and y'all are looking for a place to keep them for good care, comfortable care, is that number one should not feel guilty for doing such a thing. As the world is changing and our Indian scenarios are changing, where there are more nuclear families, where a lot of children are going abroad for their careers, it's a good option for you to choose a good elder care facility where you know that all their needs will be taken care of, where they're happy and comfortable. It's a beautiful place. When you come to Sehbaav, you will not think that it is a place for elders to stay, because we are a benchmark for elder care, and we are a combination of a hospital, a hotel, and a home. So the whole idea is they should feel that they're staying in a luxurious place. Their life has been upgraded and not downgraded. So that is the experience we give them, and that is the joy that we wish to share with all of you.
Sahbaav Premium Assisted Living Centers, where every day is a celebration of life, care, and togetherness.